Well, hello. Welcome to Chillin with Chronically Happy. And it is 1 a.m. right now. And I'm trying to be quiet, but I leave tomorrow first thing to go get my blood drawn, take my blood, do a centrifuge thingy, and test my thyroid. Originally, the hospital anesthesiologist team had refused to do my surgery until I got my thyroid TSH level down low enough for my endocrinologist is happy. So I'm going to have my blood drawn tomorrow before I leave town, and then we're going to leave town and drive over to Bend where my surgery is going to be in Bend, Oregon. And Priscilla Payne is my neurosurgeon. So I just wanted to show off my new purple hair, my lavender hair. Just a little bit of shade above the gray I had. And my bracelet's all ready to go. And yeah. Anyway, my thumbnail, I'm going like this in the picture. I have side quest cards. Again, I'm not sure if I did my last package opening last time on camera or not, but I got my fancy the F is Grizz card. Oh. So here's the back of them. I need to get more sleeves, and yeah. No, I was just watching something on YouTube, and it was mentioning how there's a TikTok trend, and people are trying to get rid of their gap in their teeth with rubber bands. No, bad idea. Don't do it. I hate my gap. And then there's people that are taking drills to their teeth for a gap. Why? Why? I don't get it. So anyway, I wanted to open these up on camera and let's see what I got. This is a Mac Miller design of part 2. This was in my part 1, so I'm excited to see what part 2 is. Package number 1. Gosh, I can't even open this. Scissors. I'll use my X-Acto knife. Oh, I forgot to get my clothes out of the washer and put them in the dryer. I'm going to do that in the morning when I leave for my blood draw. Alright, I got to cut open. Let's check them out. Best day ever. No matter where life takes me, Mac Miller, find me with a smile. Oh my gosh, that's funny. The divine feminine. I'm going to have to read it more closely, but that's funny. Enjoy your day or night or week. Smile at someone today, make somebody happy. You have more power than you think you do. Pretty tricky looking. I don't know who Mac Miller is. I'm going to have to look it up. Don't judge me. Listen, Pysde. Ooh, I'm getting into my oils. I was drowning. Now I'm swimming. I was drowning, now I'm swimming. Womp womp. Just keep swimming. Stop keeping score. Oh, was that Mac Miller a movie? Gosh, where have I heard that? I've heard that somewhere. Anyway, kicking incredibly dope kids. The kids movie, dude, that's sick. I love that. Mac Miller and a lotus. And then, oh, I got this one for the foil, the fancy one. That's sweet. I love the texture of these cards. Oh my god, they're so cool. Alright, there's pack number 1, guys. Pack number 2. I'm excited. Alright, I got another one of those. Now let's put it with the other one. So I have them in order. There's 2 of those. Nowadays, all I do is shine, take a breath, and ease my mind. Nope, there's another tiny desk one. Nope, there's a regular one of the same one that I had a shiny foil on. I'll put that with that one. Oops, that with that one. And that with the fancy one. Another one of those, and another kids. Alright, let's get those next to each other. Oh, but I have the yeah, I have a hollow kids. Yeah, hollow and a normal. Alright, then we got 2 of those. A second one of the cat. Alright, let's see here. Where are they? Hey, where'd my other cat one go? Huh. I'll have 2 of those. Alright, let's see. I thought I had 1, 2. Oh, yeah, they're there. Okay. Let's see everyone again. Ooh, okay, I got this one for a foil. That one has a foil. Ooh, that one has a foil. Sweet. That one. So they have the same cards. Oh, those are both shiny. Ah, I got this one as the fancy one. The texture. And then there's that one, the lotus. So I have 2 of those. And this one. So I really have 3 of these. Alright, let's open the last one. I was hoping for some more deviation, but it looks like they're the exact same cards, but just different ones are chosen for the foils. So now I know. I'm getting the hang of this. Alright. Got another lotus. Alright, where's my lotuses? There. 2 of them are foil and one's normal. 4 of them. Alright, then we got a tiny desk. Alright, we got that one. Do them. Boom. So I'm just trying to find my matches to put them with. That's funny, I only had this one in the one. Kids. Rose. I don't know which one I hope I have as a foil. Maybe the kids. No, that probably wouldn't happen. Maybe. One. Another shiny, that one. I've got 2 shiny and a normie. 2 of those shinies. And then 1 normal. Oh, I got a shiny of the cat. Sweet. There's the cat. That one, that's a shiny. That's the textured one. Fancy. That little, look at that, like 3D, like globe thing. That's so trippy, dude. I could watch that all day. 2 of these are shinies. All right, cool. So I got one of these, one of these, and one of these. These are my fancy ones this time. Kind of happy I got this one as a textured. This one, find me with a smile. That's kind of cool though. I don't know which one's my favorite yet. Which one did I get textured last time? Oh, it was this one. This is the one I got last time. It's fancy. So these are my fancy ones. I'm just now getting into collecting these. So this is my newest obsession. And they're pretty fun. I enjoy them, and I never thought I'd be a nerd to collect any kind of cards. I'm a card collector. Alright, so let me turn this camera around. Here's all my cards. And then my collection in here. So anyways, I just wanted to give y'all the update about my surgery. It is happening at least, and no, I gotta get a happy gift before I gotta leave. And I need to hurry up and play my game a little bit longer because the event is almost up. Oh no, I didn't turn it off. Oh, no, don't turn off. How long is the event good for? Let me see. 8 more hours. Oh, this is really cool. Alright. I'm going to get on my game and try to hurry up, and then I'm going to get lack of sleep so I can sleep all day in the car tomorrow. Alright, anyway, thank you so much, guys, for chilling and chronically happy. I am going to go and I'm going to see you a little bit so I can get to sleep. Alright, bye. Peace out.